Parrots are the most intelligent among all bird species. The average age of a parrot is 40 to 50 years. There are more than 400 species of parrots of many colors in the world. 5-colored parrot can easily attract anyone. Parrots weigh between 10 grams to 4 kilograms and also found in sizes ranging from 8 centimeter to 1 meter. Parrots are found in all tropical and subtropical continents of the world. Parrots have very good hearing. A parrot lays only one egg in a year. Parrots are the only birds capable of eating with their feet, picking up food with their feet in the same way that humans eat with their hands. Parrots can make sounds just like humans. If given training, they can also pronounce some words. An African grey parrot can speak over 100 words.
Starfish or sea stars are very beautiful marine animals that come in various colors, shapes, and sizes. There are more than 2,000 species of starfish. Some live in the shallows of the ocean, while others live in the deep waters of the ocean. Although many species live in tropical regions, starfish can also be found in colder regions. They live especially in the polar regions. Although starfish typically only have 5 arms, some starfishes can grow up to 40 arms. Although sea stars are commonly called as starfish, they are not actually a fish. They do not have gills, scales, or fins on their bodies like a fish. Starfishes also move quite differently from other fishes. A normal fish would propel themselves with their tails, but sea stars use small tube-shaped legs to move around. And that is why sea stars are not classified as fishes, and scientists refer to starfish as sea stars. An interesting fact is that starfishes can regrow lost arms, and they can do so even if they are hunted by mutants and lose part of their body. But this doesn't happen very quickly. It can take up to a year for an arm to regrow. Starfish have slightly prickly skin, and they have a rough texture on their surface. Also, their spines are used for protection against predators such as birds, fish, and sea otters. Starfishes feed on oysters, other small fishes, snails, and algae. Starfishes have eyes. You may be surprised to hear that, but it's true. They have an eye spot at the end of each arm. That is, a 5-armed starfish has 5 eyes and a 40-armed starfish has 40 eyes. And each starfish's eye look like a red dot. But they cannot see like us. They can only sense light and dark. Giraffes are the largest herbivorous animals in the world. They are found in many parts of Africa. Giraffes can grow up to 4.5 to 6 meters tall. Their average weight ranges from 825 to 1,200 kilograms, and they also have 2 small horns. Giraffes can run at a speed of 56 kilometers per hour. They can stand and sometimes run within an hour of birth. They have a lifespan of about 25 years. Giraffes have long necks that allow them to easily sneak up and eat plants that are out of reach of other primates. They have a tongue that is 45 centimeters long. It can be used to wrap around the fibers and eat and clean their nose. Giraffes consume about 35 kilograms of food per day, and they drink water only once in 2 days. Giraffes have very strong feet. It has the power to knock down even lions and tigers with a single blow. They can live in groups in both wet and dry areas. Giraffes don't sleep for long. They take short naps of 5 minutes. Giraffes' role in the food chain is also important. And due to poaching of giraffes for their skin and other human needs, their species is reducing. So, it is our duty to protect giraffes and other wild animals. There are over 3,000 species of mosquitoes in the world. The mosquito is a very ancient insect species. They lived alongside the dinosaurs about 400 million years ago. The average lifespan of mosquitoes is from 40 to 120 days. Among mosquitoes, only female mosquitoes are capable of biting humans and sucking our blood. Male mosquitoes feed on the sap of fruits and plants. Mosquitoes can fly slowly but very low. Their average speed is 1.5 miles per hour. And they can fly up to 25 feet in height. Mosquitoes can feel carbon dioxide even from 75 feet away. Since humans exhale carbon dioxide, they can find their prey more easily. Mosquitoes can drink 3 times their own weight in blood. A naturally occurring acid in their saliva prevents their blood from clotting. Mosquitoes generally prefer night rather than light. Mosquitoes generally prefer moist places like swamps and stagnant water bodies. Female mosquitoes lay eggs in standing water and breed. Mosquitoes are the biggest enemies of mankind. They spread many diseases like malaria, dengue, Zika, and meningitis. Friends, we should avoid mosquitoes that spread diseases. And for this, we have to clean the wastewater around our house. Prevent mosquitoes from entering our house by installing mosquito nets. Use mosquito repellents to drive mosquitoes away. And by doing this, we're not only protecting ourselves from diseases, but we're also protecting our society from many diseases. Penguins are one of about 40 species of birds that cannot fly. Scientists say that there are 17 species of penguins and 13 of them are on the verge of extinction. The world's rarest are the yellow-eyed penguins, with only about 5,000 living today. Penguins live in the southern polar regions of the world, mainly in Antarctica, but also in countries such as New Zealand, Australia, and South Africa. Penguins have short legs that make their bodies appear low, and they appear to stand upright like humans. The normal body temperature of penguins is approximately 38 degrees Celsius. Their feathers have special layers that help them stay warm in cold weather. A layer of fat under their skin protects them from cold. Although penguins drink salt water from the ocean, glands in their bodies filter it out and expel it. Penguins cannot breathe underwater, but they can swim underwater for 15 to 30 minutes. And some species can swim as deeper as 6,000 feet. Penguins' eyes work better underwater than on land. Penguins swallow pebbles as they also help in grinding and digesting their food. Penguins gain weight and use it to swim to deeper areas. Penguins can glide across the surface of ice using their stomachs. It is also used as a means of moving from one place to another. Penguins usually swim at 5 to 6 miles per hour and walk at 2 to 3 miles per hour. Each penguin species had different ways of attracting their mates. For example, singing songs to attract their partners or by gifting them pebbles. Penguins communicate with each other using different sounds and gestures. Penguins recognize their mates and their chicks by their unique sounds. Penguins are very affectionate with their mates, incubating their eggs and feeding their young. Some penguins go without food for about 100 days during the incubation period. Penguins are friendly with humans and other animals too. The Arabic translation of the name camel means beauty. Camels are primarily native to Asia and Africa, where they live in deserts and other dry habitats. Camels can live for an average of 40 to 50 years. Camels are sometimes called ships of the desert because they can travel easily and carry heavy loads on sand. Camels have 1 or 2 humps on their backs which store a lot of fat. They survive longer by obtaining nutrients when water or food is not available. Camels have long legs which keep their body away from the hot ground. They also have wide feet which prevent them from sinking into the sand. Camels have thick fur coats that protect them from heat and cold. Camels can survive for 10 days without drinking water. They can also drink up to 200 liters of water in a matter of minutes. Camels have special adaptations to deal with sandstorms.
Enjoyed this video? Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to check out the next video. Until then, bye-bye.